Hello, good morning. Nandito po kami sa Antique. A-attend po kami ng 30th anniversary ng Panay Broadband. Yan, ito ang sa paligid. Kararating lang po namin. Yan, pasok tayo. Pasok tayo. Dito ang event.
Hello and welcome to Antique Cruhay.
Yes.
So we are here from the Panay Broadband, all the way from Iloilo. Where is the people Iloilo branch? Hello, my this event as the head of our preparation and all of the possible things that we will have for this morning. Thank you very much. Those who just arrived may request the copies to please be here or the in-ilo to move forward so that we can actually occupy the spaces in front. I don't know, these two, they are too afraid, or I don't know, they have their own smiles at the back. Attorney Grasperil, and please join us here in our table. And before that, as we are going to have a event, let me have first the acknowledgement of the different branches. Kinahanglan, matulog ang pag-cheer if I call your branch. And later on, board of directors, we're going to roam around. Later, sir. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, our dear friends.
Ato sa?
Ladies and gentlemen, our Yumanay and Pagkiritanay with our song rendered from the Karen Carpenters, one of the song Carpenters, the top of the world. Now let's start roaming around. Kamustahanay? Palibot, go around. Go out from your tables, see other benches. Such a feelings coming over me. There's wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, but the sun in my eyes. And I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Hindi mapayang to be. It's now coming through, especially for me. And the reason is here, it's because you are here. You're the clearest things you have that I've seen. Everybody sing! I'm on the top of the world, looking up your hands out on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love I've never seen around me like the top of the world. Something in the way and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves of the tree and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness and joy.
Uy, sila kahalalin sa tulungan.
There's only one wish on my mind. When the days grow hard, I will find that tomorrow will bring just the same with me. All I need will be mine. Now please join me in singing. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find it's the love that I've found ever since I've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Morning dance. So tanan kita makuha sa ating tables and chairs. We are going to occupy the areas here. here so that we can actually move. So gusto ko kita mga friends mo from Iloilo, diyan ikaw ko sa unahan na nakita ko kamo kayo ng mga ano yun, bida ang saya kita na kayo na diyan pagkanta ko. So Iloilo, can you please go here? Dali, magwa kita sa tulungan natin. Dali, Antique! Hindi na mga taga-Antique, can you please occupy the areas here? Antique group? Antique? Okay. Sige, can we go out from our tables, please? Hindi kita ka-dance lang para kung na hindi
Dali na
kita
muna,
mag-walk
ta.
sa ating tables. Okay. Merry Christmas, everybody. Occupy the areas here, please. Thank you. Antique group. Okay, Antique. Iloilo, please join us. Iloilo. Copies, please go out from your tables and chairs. Sige na, sige na. Iloilo, can you
Esau. So Peter got out of the boat and began to walk on the water.
Mayad gaga sa kaninyong matanan. Sino niya ang 30 years old? Kaninyo. Tingnan ka mo na 30 years old. Amo na natin
na mga bisita na sa radyo nakilala ko si Tutok Ronnie Rodriguez sa ating board of directors, isa chairman sa ating staff na mga mapahon kaya mga dinay kanina.
Good morning to everyone. Parang walang nakakalamig. Good morning
Morning!
and congratulations to all of us. Because of your hard work, perseverance, your commitment, and your loyalty to the company, we made it. We made it 30 years now. So again, congratulations.
Every moment we will be giving them the time.
I want.
Okay, I was put on the spot. Marami na rin kita sa program, pero still, thank you for giving me the opportunity to at least convey my message to the Buena Vista Cable TV family here in San Jose de Buena Vista, and of course in our branches here in Panay as well. So good afternoon, each and every one of you. Okay ba mga mo? Okay ba? Mas kami na lamesa mga oras hindi ka pag-iliyasan lang lubang. Pero let me take this opportunity now to share a few words to each and every one of you. Of course, to our board of directors, to the entire technical team, as well as the entire family of Buena Vista Cable TV, happy 30th anniversary to each and every one of you. Let me be more personal siguro lang about my message so far as Buena Vista Cable TV is concerned. I also share this when Ma'am Joy Apali conducted an interview. Apali, Buena Vista Cable TV is not just a service provider, but it has become a core memory and a part of my childhood as well. I can distinctly remember being excited to go home. Kaya tikang we were connected. Sino po kita? Ajani service 10 years of our Lord. Bless us, O Lord, for this day. Ayun no, Diyos ko, Lord. Ang susunod po ng mga rated SPG. Please stand here mga pangga. Ito na yun eh. Hi, what's your name? Dami mo eyes mo? Ay, sorry sister. Sorry sir. Okay. What's your name? JC. JC. JC, from what branch are you? Iloilo. Okay. So JC, what's your name? AV. From where are you? You have to contact me at Jasper Jason Ceballos FB account. My number is 099577547990. And send me your number. I'm gonna send you a Gcash, new motorcycle, and a travel to Thailand. What I want, I need puti na buhok. Kang mga single, puti na buhok ng mga single na nagalakang na maging in a relationship pa. Congratulations! Okay na?
Thank you. Hati kita.
Daraan sa mga kamalagyan sa natin naglaker ka daan para sa prize. Basika! Siguro una. Wala rin yung kala ko ng presenta Hindi ang employee na best in Sharon Cuneta. Tagay ito po ang best in Sharon. May Cruz, may Tupperware. Ikaw ngayon, Sharon Cuneta. Congratulations! Ma'am, you're a winner. Tapos nagigili ka dyan. Ay, si Ma'am Yudit, ilang Sharon Cuneta. Okay, we will reserve the prizes later on.
Maayag-ayag nga hapon sa inyong tanan. Ilabi na sa atong presidente, mga board of directors, kag sa mga bisita man. Iyaari naman kita sa atong ika-30 na anibersaryo. Tuwigan anibersaryo nga ginasilibrar sa mga magpinsent kag delikado nga mga empleyado. Buena Vista, Panay Roman, Spaceport kag Octagon. Mga mabuot kag masaligan na marumugot. Gani Subo, atong ginigisan yaho. Ari naman kami sa inyo atubangan. Mga hitsuran na masaligan ninyo makitaan. Hitsuran na wala kag igulan. Hinapit na ang among sense na
Wow! Diba? Kaya ito City Branch, Team PBB! And that was from PBB!
30 years ago, Miss CATV began with one mission: to connect people and provide quality service. Through every decade, technology changed, communities grew, and new challenges emerged. But one thing remained the same: our commitment to serve. determination.
Good morning, pwede isa able dito customer service. Transaction approved. More communities.
Yes, bilis lang ba? Continue.
The world changed, challenges
Buena Vista Cable TV Incorporated, your window.
So, I have now the result. After validating the result all the way in Manila, ipadala naman ang result sa Manila via FTRCB and with the validation of the BPI representative, the Bureau of War, the PNP, and the MILF. Kasi talaga ng Bureau, yung pamalinig, para insakto ang score. Now, get ready everyone as I will announce the result. We would like to request Ma'am Teresa and Ma'am Laika to assist the awarding. I know, kulang ang mga katawan sa unahan ha. Nami guro ang mga participants, hindi ako ang mga participants matindang para at least nga dali lang karuang mag-uol ka award. Okay. I will now announce third runner-up. Third runner-up will receive 25 million pesos. They have garnered the judges' perspective into greater ideas and made it possible for them to rank this place. If third runner-up goes to goes to no! Ano ka mga muyok na garong sarita ng mga nagabibiging goes to contestant number 4 from the Space Force. Congratulations, Space Force. You are on our third runner-up. They cannot be divided since the decision of the judges is final and irrevocable. It was placed with great care and security of the FBI, SWAT, and the PNP. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the second runner-up, together with our first runner-up. Siguro para combine ang second runner-up and first runner-up. As a tie, goes to performing group number 2 from Octagon and BBB. Congratulations. And our champion, Team Artines. I will request the participants, the whole participants, for Artines to join here for the receiving of the awards. Okay. Sana all. Years of proving that Buena Vista Cable is the best. We have now our 30th tax number. Mula dun hanggang suto, tatlo kada nga handong. Halina ang tiket at ako buong isla sa panay konektado. Ilo-ilo, kapis na kasadyahan, at saka kumuwi ang may kaligay. Mura pero sa
Aldon. Tony, wala. Si Tony, bata sa museo. At isa sa mga magaling member ng Campus Catholic Boys. Kasama kami. Na ito ay organize ni late Governor Pito Mateo. Matagal yung mga sisyon. Now, I join everybody to support and trust our new president and the new management setup. I encourage the workforce to work hard para sa kaunlad ng ating kumpanya. And I'm sure na just Kamuntalan will lead us to the right way for the progress sa ating kumpanya at sa progresyo ng probinsya. Tulong salamat. I hope you enjoy the
Vegas, ang pinakamatulong-tulong na singkita ng palakpakan!
Amo diyan binahalap-halap niyo. Kahapon, nag-design ang bilog board of directors nga tawan ka mo ka 1 month bonus. Ay, sumpon ba? Sa tanan nga medyo ligid kagang mga makingin pa ka dyan, sa rungan, mura ko pati usina. Ang mura makingin, may usina.
Guys, you know what to do. Drink all you can! Ano? Ubus doon? Sige lang, dumangan karon. Dito si Biggie Boy, dumangan natin drinks. Dito si Biggie Boy. Buwak ko si Biggie Boy, okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a celebration. This is a family gathering. That's why I'm giving you a call to end this afternoon. Yesterday is a history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That is why we call it the present. Happy 30th anniversary, everyone! Sa mga maliyamit mo pang snacks, our snacks is available at the side.